This is the first phase. They've put asphalt on the first 800. It's a 3.25 kilometer road. The rains have seriously disturbed us. We hope to ramp up. Today they ought to have stone based further down, but you can see it's raining. So we hope to ramp up and complete within the next 2 months. It's 3.25 kilometers. Once we finish this, we're looking at going to what's that road in Ikorodu West, there's one road that we promised in Ikorodu West, about 3 kilometers. Can't remember the road now. Shobo.
What about the Agbele route, sir?
Agbele road, we're almost completed. We've done about 70% of it. It's open to traffic. There's street lights there. Oriokuta, where from here we'll go to Oriokuta. We should, it's about 3 kilometers.
So that Agbele road will be commissioned like when?
Agbele road, the entirety, maybe in the next 2 months maximum. We're also building a huge market in Isiu. We're about to start another one in Beribe. You understand? And we're still looking at the Lambo, Lasumo versus the Jede people.
Yes.
The Jede, where is trial is on my neck, so is their constituency too.
And also,
but Danny can't talk. Danny can't talk because Akegule is ongoing. I just said has been completed. So Igbe Road, Popama, you two, you can't talk.
Are you comfortable with the work of the contractors so far?
Yeah, they're doing very, very well. These are the elite engineers that we have. Nigerian armed forces are very good. They're doing a great job. We also intend to commission the 80-bed hospital in Mota. It's a hospital like no other. It's got something to be very, very, very proud of. So before the end of the month, we should commission that.
What is your message to the users of this road?
Yes, they should form the... Mr. Oloshokun has requested for speed breakers, and I said no, the CDA too should join hands together and put something back in the community. It should be a collaborative effort. It shouldn't be government doing it all. Let them to put their money so that in that way they will be able to maintain it and also know that our money is here. So that's what we've advised them.